Understanding Venue Reviews, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, venue reviews. This is a common term you might encounter in various contexts, especially when discussing places like restaurants, hotels, or theaters. Let's dive in and understand what it means and how to use it effectively. The word venue refers to a place where an event or activity takes place. It can be a concert hall, a conference room, a restaurant, or any other location where events are held. Understanding this term is key to grasping the full meaning of venue reviews. Reviews are evaluations or assessments of something, typically written or spoken. In our context, reviews are opinions or feedback given by people who have visited a venue. These can include comments on the atmosphere, service, quality of food, if it's a restaurant, or the overall experience. Putting it together, venue reviews are the critiques or opinions given by customers or visitors about a specific place. These reviews are often used by others to decide whether to visit that place. They can be found on websites, in magazines, or shared through word of mouth. Venue reviews are crucial because they provide real-life feedback. They help others make informed decisions and can greatly influence the reputation and success of a venue. For businesses, positive reviews can attract more customers, while negative reviews might indicate areas that need improvement. I hope this video helps you understand what venue reviews mean and how they play a significant role in our decisions about where to go and what to experience. Remember, the next time you read or write a review, you're contributing valuable information to a larger community. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more English language tips.